Hi guys, how to repair corrupted files. If you have a file for Excel, Microsoft Word or any type of document and you are not able to open that file, reason that file is corrupted, so you can repair easily. Open any web browser and search repair.wondershare.com. So visit this page and download and install this free software. And also you are happy, so you can purchase on this software. You can see the pricing for this software. 1 month license and 1 year license. There are some more options, so you can repair any type of document and files. Just you have to follow two steps, three steps. Firstly, add your corrupted file, then click on repair button, and then preview and save your corrupted file. Now, using this software, you can repair any document in your Windows. Thanks for watching.